Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos. Don't Turn the Page by Rachelle Burk. How about a bedtime story? Mama asked. Sami shook her head.
I don't want to go to bed. I'm not tired yet.
All right, said Mama. Why don't you pick out a book to read later? Sami pulled a new one from the shelf.
Just read the first page,
she said, climbing onto the sofa. Mama read. The sun went down and fell asleep. The moon rose overhead, and Little Bear of Rambling Woods prepared to go to bed.
That's enough,
said Sami.
Don't turn the page.
Mama slipped a bookmark between the pages. Sami thought a moment.
How do bears get ready for bed?
She asked. I don't know, said Mama. Sami lifted the edge of the page and peeked. She liked the picture.
What does it say?
She asked. Mama read. The sleepy cub went to his cave, and with a growly yawn, he slipped into his jammies and put fuzzy slippers on. Sami gave a growly yawn.
I'm going to put on my jammies like Little Bear,
she said.
But that's all. Don't turn the page.
Mama helped Sami into her jammies and fuzzy bear slippers.
Do bears have story time too?
Sami asked. Mama shrugged.
Maybe we should find out,
Sami said. So Mama read. When Little Bear was dressed for bed, he chose a storybook, and then he brushed his pearly teeth beside the babbling brook. Sami held up her hand.
No more,
she said.
Don't turn the page.
Mama and Sami sat still for a moment.
Little Bear brushed his teeth, so I will too,
said Sami.
But I won't go to bed yet.
Fair enough, said Mama. Sami turned on the faucet.
Maybe you can read to me while I brush,
she said. So Mama read on. Mama helped her little bear climb up into his bed so he could cuddle close to her and rest his sleepy head. Sami rubbed her eyes.
Will you cuddle with me too?
She led Mama to her room. They snuggled up together. I wonder what happens next, said Mama.
I'll let you read one more page,
said Sami. Mama read. As crickets sang a lullaby and stars blinked dreamy light, his mama read a fairy tale and kissed her cub good night. Mama puckered up.
Stop!
Sami put a finger to her lips.
It's not good night time yet,
she said.
Don't turn the page.
Perhaps I'll read it to your teddy bear, said Mama. Sami hugged her bear.
Okay,
she said.
But just a teeny bit. He's not tired either.
She closed her eyes and listened. So if you hear a snoring sound beneath a weeping willow, it's little bear of rambling woods, asleep upon his pillow. Should I turn the page? Mama asked. Sami didn't answer. Mama looked down at her snoring softly. Then she turned the page and read. The end. Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.